So the guys now are helping us with finishing this agroforestry row. There are apricots in this first row, and the pattern we've discussed in the past has got a fruit tree that's actually a pomegranate. Then we have Eleagnus, so a support shrub, then a support tree. Here next to Francesco there's a mulberry, and then in that hole will go a soft fruit, which is gooseberry in this case, and then another fruit tree, and this is pomegranate again. And on this side we have the same thing but with apricots, and the fruits are slightly different. Rather than gooseberries we have goji berries and fehoia, which is a tropical fruit, and then Mediterranean tropical fruit. And then here we have a broom, Chichizus scoparius. And after planting things in the holes, there is a step which is very important, which is mulching the whole row. The way we mulch the row is crucial for the long-term organic matter content. Remember, we're trying to make these trees believe that this is a forest floor that's been prepared for them. Some plants are less demanding, like the Eleagnus. The support plants essentially are there to create the conditions for the others, but some plants need the conditions to be right already, and they're obviously not, because this is not the best soil. So this mulch will help with that, and it will also create the conditions for the microbiology to activate the forest floor effect. And so the way we do that is we have wood. You could use any wood you have lying around, and this is going to be like a porous sponge of nutrients and food and water. And then we cover that with oak leaves in this case, but you could have used hay or straw or anything like that. And we make this shape like an M, like that. So there is a depression in the middle and then two mounds on the side. And that depression will gather nutrients and water, and also reduce evaporation. So that's before, and that's middle step. And then everything gets covered with leaves with this depression in the middle where the trees are. So here you can see what I was talking about, this M shape, and there's a hole in the middle, gathering, harnessing all the water and energy, nutrients, to use very general terms. And there's wood under here, half decomposed, and then on top lots of leaves. So that is going to be like a sponge in a protection for the soil.